In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to put together your Sosta Bed platform. We recommend you do this on a carpeted surface. To assemble the platform, you will need the Phillips driver bit included in your kit and your own hand drill, or if you'd rather do it by hand, you will need your favorite Phillips screwdriver. An optional tool that can sometimes be helpful in making parts flush is a rubber mallet. If you don't have a hand drill or a rubber mallet, that's okay. A screwdriver and your own two hands will do just fine. Make sure your drill's clutch is set to a low setting. For this video, set the clutch to around 3, and if your drill has 2 speeds, set it to the slow speed. You should have received 2 long sides, 2 short ends, 2 slat rolls, and 12 Phillips screws. Start by laying out the sides so that the flush side is outward facing and the side with the grooves is inward facing. Starting at one end, fully insert the side tabs into the slots on the ends. You can do this by hand or with a rubber mallet. Repeat this step at all 4 corners of the platform. Next, take 4 of your Phillips screws and screw into the pre-drilled hole of each corner of the platform. You can use a screwdriver or a hand drill. With the webbing facing up, align the slat roll holes with the holes in the sides as you lay one of the slat rolls onto one side of the bed frame. On the side of the slat roll near the middle of the bed, insert the tip of the first Phillips screw through the slat roll hole and into the hole on the long side. Screw down until tight, then repeat on the other side. Now, pull the slat roll tight and repeat near the end of the bed. Then repeat with the other slat roll. Add a mattress and make up the bed however you like.